Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set a custom in-game Steam status. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Library tab there, so go ahead and click on it. This is where all your games are stored and where we'll be adding our custom game to create that personalized status. Now, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an option that says Add a Game. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add a non-Steam game. This feature allows you to integrate games or applications from outside Steam into your library, which is exactly what we need to customize your status. A new window will pop up showing you a list of applications and games that Steam has detected on your computer. Browse through this list and simply check the box beside your preferred non-Steam game. For this example, I'll be using WordPad just to demonstrate how this works, but keep in mind you can use any non-Steam game you want for this purpose. If the game or application you want to use isn't showing up in the list, don't worry. You can manually add it by clicking the Browse button at the bottom of the window. This opens your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to wherever your preferred non-Steam game is stored on your computer. Once you find it, select the application file and click Open. The game will then be added to the selection window. After you've selected your game or application, click Add Selected Programs. The non-Steam game will now appear in your library's left panel alongside all your regular Steam games. This integration is what makes the custom status possible. Next, locate the game you just added in the left panel. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens the Properties window where you can customize various settings for this entry. In the Properties window, look for the logo of the non-Steam game near the top. Right beside it, you'll see a text field containing the current title. Click on that text field, remove the existing title, and change it to whatever you want your custom status to say. This is where you can get creative. You could write something like being awesome, or taking a break, or literally anything you prefer. Once you've entered your custom text, close the properties window. Now it's time to test if everything is working correctly. Click the play button on your custom game entry. This will launch the application, which in my case is WordPad, but for you it would be whatever non-Steam game you selected. To verify that your custom status is displaying properly, go to the upper right corner of Steam and click on your username. From the drop-down menu, select View My Profile. This takes you to your public Steam profile page. On the right panel of your profile, you'll now see a non-Steam game displayed along with the custom title you created. This means anyone viewing your profile will see your personalized status message instead of just a regular game title. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom in-game Steam status that you can change whenever you want. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.